Welcome to ModiMakes. One cold autumn day.
Wow, it really rolled all the way underneath. Sawdust everywhere. Smooth. What's good, everybody? My name is Modi. This is ModiMakes, and today I'm going to be continuing the series that I started last week with these large canvases with geometric shapes on them that I use to abstract the image of the painting even more. And this one is entitled The Man in the Attic. And the man in the attic is just kind of the embodiment of imagination for me as an artist. It's a little dude who lives up in my head, who lives this wild life that helps me come up with all the stories for my paintings, the paintings themselves, the characters that I come up with, and just the crazy ideas that I see in my imagination and my dreams all the time that help me create these wild paintings that I make. That's why you'll see that it's kind of this ethereal sky pattern. It's like this pinkish gradient in the background that kind of looks like a sunset sky with this sky blue rectangle in the middle that just kind of embodies that idea of living in the clouds or just imagination in general. So, let's get into it, shall we? Well, there you have it, my peoples. The man in the attic is complete. And you know, this is kind of one of those ones where I'm not really sure how I fully feel about it yet. I like the composition and I think it's a really interesting design. Some of the line work when I did it by hand didn't turn out quite as smooth as I was hoping it would, which might be why I'm uneasy about it right now, because I just finished it and stuff and I've been working on it a ton recently. And like I've said before, it usually takes me a couple days or so, or at least walking away from it for a little bit and then coming back to decide whether or not I like it a lot. But I think the concept is definitely solid, and I'm a fan of the concept of the piece and the composition of the piece. But let me know what you guys thought of the piece down in the comments below, and let me know if you have any questions or anything you want to see me do in the future. I'll be happy to read through them all, and I'm gonna respond to every single one like I always do. And you know, if you liked the video, go ahead and give me a like. That would be fantastic. And if you like me, you like the channel, and you want to help support me, the #1 thing that you can do is to subscribe. I really couldn't thank you enough if you do. It means the world to me. And with all of it away, and without further ado, let's get in those final shots, shall we?
Down.